to a... Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, we're going to be doing some sort of a get ready with me for the new Colourpop collection. Honestly guys, listen, Colourpop color themes are actually so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. And guess what? Peach makeup is actually really one of my faves after a neutral makeup, which shouldn't be a surprise to any of you. So today we have that
OMG, Becky, look at her butt.
In that case. Yeah, so today we have the entire collection right over here, and basically, as I mentioned, we're gonna do like a get ready with me, not really a review, because honestly I kind of feel like the entire collection of all the other color themes, they're kind of like the same formulation and all that kind of stuff, so I don't feel like there is anything to review really, because we already know it's good, sis. We already know. So yeah, we're gonna be doing like a get ready with me with like these sister stunting kind of vibes. So yeah, so without further ado, let's just move into this video. So I already snatched my hair back because it is super hot in here. I can't have my AC on because obviously you guys gonna hear that in the mic, and we don't want that to happen. So anywho's, the first item I'm gonna be showing you, it's actually this really cute set right over here that have all the Super Shock shadows. I personally have a whole collection of these, and I know you guys are waiting to see my beauty collection, my beauty room, all this kind of stuff, but honestly, I don't even know when that actually is going to happen, because I just keep having boxes on boxes and boxes, and like my storage is just like not happening. And yeah, I'm kind of looking for like the best option for storage at the moment, and I can't really find it. So if you guys have any options or any ideas, please let me know in the comment section below, because Assist needs help. Anywho's, moving to the first shadow, it's called Golden Hour. So obviously it is a very beautiful golden shade, as you can see right over here. Honestly, they are super buttery and they're like super pigmented, which is, you know, obvious. And then moving on, this one is called In X Is, I hope I pronounced it right, or In Axis, I don't even know. So this one definitely have more of like the bronzier shade to it. Again, super beautiful shadow. And honestly, I kind of feel like those shadows can just like be for like brides and like everyday type of look, or just like if you still want to go on the neutral, because sis, you already know that we are living for that. And so this one over here is called 6 AM. Again, super beautiful shadow. It has some of these peachiness, bronziness to it. Hopefully, I mean, you guys can understand my, you know, I guess the way I describe things, but obviously you see it on the screen, so there is no better way. Now moving into another thing, so this one is a brown mascara, which I'm kind of like about, because when I do use mascara, then obviously I do want to use a black mascara just to make it like more va-va-voom type of a situation. Honestly, I don't have my falsies on me anymore, like my lash extensions, and I kind of feel naked in a way, so that's very bad. Now, moving on, so we do have, now I'm kind of wondering if this is, okay, I know that we have 3 pressed powders, but then I saw that one of them, I saw that 2 of them is actually a blush, and then the other one, I don't know if it's a blush or if it's a bronzer, so I should be checking that out. So this is the first one, called Fresh and Peachy, something beautiful like so. Look more of like a pinkier undertone. And then the second one, called Perks Up. Let's see, which one is this? Ooh, again, I really love the packaging. Okay, yeah, so I don't know if it can be a bronzer. Maybe if I'm gonna go lighter, which obviously gonna happen very soon, because as you can see, I was a week ago in Mexico and I'm already losing my tan. God knows why, but I guess that's how it is. And then the last one, called Frisky Business, which I think was the one that I liked the most. If I can open it. Okay, so yeah, so this is the Frisky business. It's also, I know that you can't really see now, but promise you I will do my best to do a better swatches. So now I'm gonna just start doing my makeup look, because as you can see I already have everything on. But before I'm actually gonna get started, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender real quick, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder under my eye so there are no fallouts. And even if there is, then I can just like wipe it off. So that's like make it very, very easy for me, like so. Because let me just say that some of these are so pigmented and they will not let go of you, just like this glittery one that looks like a mermaid. So there's that. Anyways, I'm gonna be using this color right over here called Darlene, and we're gonna go on a very like monochromatic peachy look. So I'm gonna be taking that like all over the crease, you know, kind of moment, and just blending it in. Honestly, I really do love how you can build those shadows, and obviously I guess I really like the price, because if I'm not mistaken those are like what, $12 or $16. And then every other day, to be honest, because I am a subscriber to the Colourpop mailing list, and every other day I kind of feel like they have a sale either for like 30%, 40%. So that's kind of like, can you go any lower? And yeah, so from here, once I'm done with this one, I'm obviously going to be taking Centerfold, which is this really beautiful pinkish peaches kind of a color, I guess you can call that. Yeah, I guess this is the best I can describe it to you guys. Okay, by accident I touched this glitter, and what did I say? I literally have it all over now. I have like a trace, and best believe this is not going anywhere. So I'm gonna clean the brush, and hopefully I can clean that as well with like a spoolie or something. So wish me luck, you guys, wish me luck. So here's an update for you guys. The spoolie definitely removed some of it. I mean, I still have one that is like super stubborn, but it removed most of it. Just make sure when you use it, just make sure that there is nothing on it, and it's like disposable one, so you can remove the glitter. Now moving into we do love Cardi a lot. I do love her so much. I'm gonna be taking a little bit on my brush, just in the outer V over here, just, you know, to give it more definition, I guess. So I kind of decided to take it up a notch, and then now I'm gonna be using the Super Shock Shadow. Again, this one is in 6 a.m. Personally, once again, not a morning person, but you already know. So next up, I'm gonna be going with this liner, and this one is by NARS in the shade Mambo. It is a very deep brown, very, very gorgeous shade. And honestly, I kind of feel like you can also blend it really well. So basically what I'm doing with that, I'm just taking it all over, like, I guess you can say the lid, but more close to your waterline, really, just like to give it more definition and all this kind of stuff. So I actually decided to go ahead and try the brown mascara, even though I really do like a black mascara when I'm doing my makeup. It's just a personal preference. It's not like it's a bad mascara, because it's not. I have the black one and I love it. They also have like a pink one, which I'm obsessed with. It's definitely like a vibe and a look if you're going for these really editorial looks. So for my lashes today, I'm actually going to be using my favorite brand, which is Slay Lashes. You can also use code ROXY for 10% off, just so you guys know that. And then, yeah, unfortunately, I kind of messed them up already, kind of like use and abuse, because you guys really know that I am obsessed with lashes if you do follow me on the gram. So you guys are probably seeing all my, you know, eye makeup videos that I do a lot. Well, I used to do them a lot. I don't do them so often anymore, but again, feel free to follow me on the gram. And yes, this was definitely an unshameful plug, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this one, by the way, this is the House of Lashes glue, which I am obsessed with. This is a ride or die for me. If it wasn't exist, then honestly, I wouldn't even know how I would ever glue my lashes together. No joke. Do you guys see that? Look at the difference. This is unreal. And those lashes are actually not even like a dramatic lashes. Those are pretty natural, but as you can see, it's kind of like giving this look a whole vibe, a whole mood, which I live for. So after I'm done with my eye, I'm actually gonna be dusting everything away, because we no longer need that. You already know the drill. So we have something beautiful like that. And then for my blush, I'm actually going to be using this one in Fresh and Peachy. I actually really like that. It's kind of remind me one of the shades from MAC Cosmetics, but I cannot recall the name right now. I think it's Modern Mandarin. I think. Don't catch me up on that. Don't catch me. Catch me outside, girl. But anyways, I'm going to be using this NARS brush, and I'm just going to be tapping it all over my cheeks like so. Look at this monochromatic look. Who is she, girl? Who is she? So I kind of realized that this shade, the Perk Up, cannot be my bronzer shade. Definitely no, it's too light for me at the moment. So this one is also new, but obviously it's Fendi Beauty. It is, I just got it yesterday, so I do want to try it, and it's in the shade Private Island. For those of you who wants to know, it is super beautiful, and I heard so many good reviews on it, so I had to get that. As you all know, if you do know any really good bronzer, then please feel free to recommend me, because I am obsessed with bronzers and I'm always looking for new ones. And honestly, I'm only using the NARS Laguna. So to finish up my entire look, I'm gonna use this crayon, and this one is in the shade Gimme S'mores. This one, I feel like it's super beautiful, and it is very, very creamy and also very pigmented, so definitely love that. So that concludes my peachy, keen, monochromatic kind of look. Honestly, I am vibing with this look so much. Now, before we're gonna wrap it up, I do want to mention that, as you guys remember in the beginning of the video, I already had my foundation on, and actually for my primer I used this Fourth Ray Watermelon Face Milk. And now Fourth Ray, as far as I know, is also kind of like a sister brand of Colourpop. So it smells, oh my god, it smells so yummy. I almost ate that, to be quite fair and quite honest, and I absolutely love that, and I actually love how everything looks together. Also, let me guys all know which one of the items you guys like most, and did you got anything from the collection? By the way, as a disclaimer, this is by no means sponsored by Colourpop. However, I did get this product in the mail, so there is that. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you didn't, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below here. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!